That's better. Say hi again.
Hi, it's me, Tyler.
He sounded like Mario. Hi, Faze. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Look at my daughter here. Say hello. Tyler, I just turned on the camera and he said, Mama, it's a long time you haven't filmed. So, Tyler and I are going to play a game. Sarah going to play the game too, but after. Sarah.
Yes, Mama.
You are not supposed to say the number that Tyler is going to write on his paper. Okay?
Okay.
Tyler, you're going to write a number on this paper and stick it on your forehead without me seeing it. And I'm going to do the same. So you will see my number and I will see your number. Okay? And the clue is, I have to ask you questions. And you have to give me the answer to the question. You have to tell me if I'm right or wrong. But the question will be based on how I'm going to guess the number. Does that make sense?
You'll see it if you draw it.
No, I'm gonna write my number.
So I'm gonna write the number that I will have.
No, my number is gonna be on your forehead and your number is gonna be on my forehead.
Ah.
Okay. Okay. So that's the number I'm gonna stick on Tyler's forehead. Okay, Tyler, turn around.
It's me, Mario. Mais t'as rien écrit, Taylor.
Come, you write it down.
Mama, don't look.
I'm not looking.
Ba, 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 ba.
I'm not looking, Sarah. Sarah, go for your glue. Come
It's
in.
from how many to how many?
You can put it, doesn't matter how much.
Okay.
Hurry up. I love playing these little games with them. Anyway, guys, while he's writing, how are you guys doing? It's been a minute. I just spontaneously decided to pick up the vlog. The camera just now and film this game. Tyler, is one number you need to write. You wrote it? Stick it on my forehead. You can see the number? Show face. But you can see a 2-digit number. I tell the boy to write a number. Look what he wrote, you guys. Look what the number. Ty. It's a good thing my eye glancing. Tyler wrote a 2-digit number, please. Hi, alright.
Okay.
Stop. 2 digits.
Don't look.
Okay, I'm not looking. He's so funny. Come, Sarah, give me this. Let me glue up his forehead. Go for scissors, Carrie. Come give me Sarah, please. Hurry up, Sarah.
Yeah.
Mama, don't look at the camera.
2 digits?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, don't look at the camera.
Oh,
Okay.
God, your forehead.
Okay, so Tyler number. Tyler, don't look. Turn away your head. Come, turn around. I'm ready to stick it.
Me too. You put glue?
Yes. Turn it the opposite way.
No, but
Put glue on the stick part and cut it so it's not too down in my eye. Cut off the bottom piece. I'm not looking. Hurry up. I'm not looking. Sorry, it's covered my eye.
Okay, and the glue I'm putting
glue on the already part that is thick.
Yes.
Don't touch
I'm gonna stick it on my forehead.
Don't look.
No, I'm not looking.
Above 100 million.
Stella, hurry up now. Come, stick it here. Okay. Alright,
million.
so I'm closing my eyes and show you guys my number. Hopefully you can see my number.
No,
Tyler,
I
show
can't.
them my
But I
number.
show them.
Okay, alright. I'm gonna ask the first question to try and guess this number. Do I wear this size shoes?
No.
Do you know the size shoes I wear?
38.
Between 38 and 40.
So it's not. No.
It's a no. Okay, your time to ask.
Is it between 0 and 50?
No, you can't ask me if it's between. You have to ask me questions.
Is it
Like, okay, ask me.
Is it a single digit?
No, double digit.
Okay.
Would I eat this amount total of candies?
Never.
Never? Because you know I hate sweets. Okay? Your turn.
Is it close to my shoe size?
No. Because you and I have mostly the same shoe size. Okay. Was I this age when I met Papa?
No.
Okay. Your turn.
Did I already passed that age? No. I
That's a good one. No.
But there's only
So
single
that's a good
digit in
clue.
what I.
Ah.
That's why I was.
But that's still a good question. Alright. Do I have this amount of close friends?
No.
Okay. Less or more?
It's one question, Mama.
Okay. You're taking too long, Ty.
Is it?
Come closer.
Is it? Oh,
Don't look at the screen.
That's fine. Okay, so is it?
Try. You're taking too long.
Would you eat that amount of watermelon in a week?
Easily. Yes.
Is it?
Yes. Yes.
It can't be more than 30.
I don't know. But yes.
3 per day, so 21.
Okay. Does Papa kiss me more than this number of time per day?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes!
But I
Yes!
think.
He's
Sarah say
always a kiss.
Wait, what was the question?
If Papa kiss me more than this number
No.
of time per day. You said no? This must be a big number. Okay, your turn. You're not in the frame. Come closer. Okay, 2 more questions and then you have to make a guess what the number is. Because you're taking too long.
Is there a 6 in that number?
No. Okay. Do I have more shoes than this number on my forehead?
No.
This is a big number. Okay.
Do I have? I'm not looking at the camera. I'm trying to get inspiration. Is there? I don't know. Stupid. Is there more days? No. Is there more days in a month than my number or not?
Yes.
That means it's under.
That's a good way of thinking.
Under 31. That means between 11 and 13.
I'm ready to make a guess for my number.
Really? Okay.
96.
Nah.
No? More or less.
One question.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay, so
You ready to make a guess?
no.
Okay, question.
I still have 20 numbers to decide. Okay, so what guess can it be between 31?
Okay, last one and then guess.
Between 31
Imagine.
Don't give him no
Wait.
hint.
What is my number? It's a
I'm not
question.
telling you what's
But
your
it's a
number.
question.
No, you're too slick. Guess. No, guess what's the number.
I need to guess.
Yes. I still can't see his number from here.
17.
No, close. 99! But that wasn't far!
Which number is it?
I said 96. I said 99.
Let's go.
Eh? And he says 17 and it's 20. That was good. Good game.
Can we redo? My turn!
Sarah turn.
So
Sarah,
funny,
you play with Tyler. Okay, you guys. So this is Sarah's number. Hopefully you guys can see it.
And
Let me stick it back. Give me this. And this, don't look. And this is the number I wrote for her. Come.
original numbers, both of you.
Sarah also wants to play, so we're gonna play. All right, Sarah. First question. Come. She's so excited. See? Don't look. Did you see it?
No.
You sure?
I see all blue.
You see all blue. Okay, good. All right. Let's start. First question.
For me?
Yes, first question for you to answer me the clue, okay? Is my age bigger than this number?
No.
Okay, your turn.
My age is smaller than this one.
Yes, your age is smaller than this number.
It's smaller
Yes.
than 7.
You can't guess as yet. You have to wait.
No, it says, she say smaller than 7. That's what she
No, it's not smaller than 7. It's bigger than this number.
Ah, bigger than 7.
Yes. All right. Next question. Does Mama go to work more days than this number
No.
in a week?
No.
No. Okay.
Easy.
Your question. Your time.
My
Aha.
question is bigger than Papa age.
No, it's smaller than Papa age.
How old is Papa?
39.
39. That means your number is...
Presque on.
Stop looking over there, silly. I see you.
I see you.
Sit up. Sit here. Oh, look here.
Okay.
Do you
You love me.
I'm out of questions.
Hey, don't laugh.
Wait. Does Mama Does Mama
Toes than the number.
Does Mama have more handbags than this number?
No.
No? No!
Mama
Mama have a lot of handbags, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
I think 10 or 11.
Okay, your question.
Okay.
So that means this number is bigger than 10 or 11?
Mama? Mama?
Yes.
The question is between 7 and 49.
Yes, it is between 7
Okay.
and 13.
We already said that. Okay, please next.
One more question and then you guess.
Oh no! It's so difficult!
It's difficult, it's falling. One more question. You want to try and guess the number now?
No, it's too difficult.
It's okay. Try and guess the number. Try and guess the number on your forehead.
I can't.
It's between 1, I'm giving you a hint. It's between 1 and 12.
1 and 12.
It's one of your favorite number.
I don't remember what it is.
That's okay, just make a guess. It's okay, just make a... Hey, Mama gonna guess too. Oh, you want Mama to guess first? So my number is 4.
No.
0! She's so cheeky! Okay, get up. Your hint is your number also have 0 in it.
That means it's between.
It's between 1 and 12 and it have a 0 in it.
10.
Yes!
Yay!
You had fun?
Yes. Can we? What is the next game?
The other game. Wait, I'm gonna tell you what's the other game.
What you wanted me to do with the paper?
Eh?
What you wanted me to do?